Stay focused, connected, and entertained with the perfect companion, Android Auto and Google Assistant in your new Mazda. With the help of your Google Assistant, you can access many of your phone's functions while driving, such as entering a destination, listening to and sending text messages, making phone calls, or choosing your favorite audio entertainment. And accessing Google Assistant is easy. You can just press the talk button on the steering wheel. Or you can just tilt right on the commander knob from any screen. Or if you've enabled the function on your Android Auto device, you can just say,
"Okay, Google."
Just as a reminder, Google Assistant replaces the Mazda Connect voice recognition whenever your Android device is plugged into the appropriate USB port. Android Auto and Google Assistant make it easy to stay connected while you drive.